guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this fill the G with balls filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery, go to trending section. Okay, you should see the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here, what you can do, on the search button and search for filled with balls or G. Okay, the second one, tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for filled with balls G. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites. And at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, okay, just visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.